Welcome to I Learn You Learn. Today we will learn about question words. Why do we ask questions? We ask questions when we want to ask something or we want to know about something. That is why a question is a sentence that asks something and it ends with a question mark. A question word is a word that is used to ask a question. And these words are known as WH words and it belongs to WH family. Why? Because in English, most of them starts from WH. Now in this video, we will be learning about 6 question words. Who, what, where, when, why and how. Let's begin. The first question word is who, which is used to ask about a person. For example, who is going to the market? Ria is going to the market. The second question word is what, which is used to ask about a specific object, idea or action. Let's look at the given example. What time it is? It is 9 o'clock. What are you doing? I am reading a book. We use why when we want to know about a reason or we need an explanation. For example, why were you absent yesterday? I was absent because I was unwell. And always, whenever we use why in the question, in the answer, we use the word because. The question word when is used to ask about a time or an occasion. For example, when is your birthday? It's on May 15th. We use the question word where to know about the place or the position. Where is your book? It's in the bag. The question word how is used to ask about the way or the manner in which a thing has done. For example, how was the lunch? It was delicious. Let's do some practice. It's homework time. Frame 2 questions each with all the question words that we have learned today and do that in your practice copy. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for watching.